In the era of smart manufacturing, speed and quality determine success. So how can production flow seamlessly? Today, a fully automated DTF printing revolution is here. Multiple 7-head Epson 3200 DTF printers run in perfect sync, 24 hours a day, achieving up to 52 square meters per hour. They deliver stunning prints with exceptional color accuracy and flawless detail. Smart Film Cutter ensures precise cuts, saving time and effort. The heat press automatically places the film, presses, peels, and picks up garments, handling more than 200 pieces an hour. Auto-folding feeds directly into the packing line for effortless, high-speed output. Personalized brand packaging delivers professional results. From production to shipment, full automation drastically shortens delivery time, quickly responding to market demand. This end-to-end intelligent production line accelerates output like never before, easily handling large volume orders. Less labor, higher efficiency, optimized energy use. Sublistar end-to-end automated DTF solution, your partner in efficient production.